Get ready for an exciting chapter in space exploration. SpaceX is finally set to blast off after a week of delays, carrying a crucial cargo for Amazon's ambitious Project Kuiper. The mission, a Falcon 9 rocket launch for broadband dreams. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket, with its trusty first-stage booster B1091, is all geared up for its second flight. This time, it's carrying a payload of 24 satellites for Amazon's Kuiper broadband internet project. The mission, known as Kuiper Falcon 03, KF-03, has been patiently waiting for its turn, delayed by unpredictable weather conditions at Cape Canaveral and offshore. Weather delays, a common challenge in spaceflight. Weather delays are a common hurdle in the world of space exploration. In this case, the 45th Weather Squadron has been keeping a close eye on the conditions, forecasting a 95% chance of favorable weather for the launch window. However, they've also highlighted a moderate risk for booster recovery due to elevated winds and seas near the landing zone. Winds will shift gradually, and low moisture levels will provide mostly clear skies. The launch weather officers noted, the main concern remains the low risk of a cumulus cloud rule violation. The launch and recovery plan scheduled for 8:08 p.m. EDT, 0008 UTC, the Falcon 9 will take off from Space Launch Complex 40. About 8 minutes after liftoff, the first stage booster B1091 is expected to land autonomously on the drone ship. Just read the instructions. If successful, this will mark the 138th landing on this vessel, and the 517th booster landing overall. Satellite deployment. Building the Kuiper constellation. The Kuiper satellite deployment sequence will commence around 56 minutes after liftoff and conclude within 8 minutes. This mission will bring the total number of satellites in the Kuiper constellation in low Earth orbit to 153. It's the 6th mission dedicated to this constellation, following 3 launches on United Launch Alliance Atlas V rockets and 2 on Falcon 9 rockets. A step towards global internet access. Amazon's Project Kuiper aims to provide global broadband internet access, and this mission is a significant step towards that goal. With the successful launch and deployment of these satellites, we move closer to a future where internet connectivity is accessible to all, regardless of location. And this is the part most people miss. The intricate dance of weather patterns, launch schedules, and satellite deployments that make space exploration possible. It's a complex process, but one that SpaceX and Amazon are navigating with expertise. So what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of global broadband internet access? Or do you have concerns about the environmental impact of these missions? Share your thoughts in the comments below.